In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to check unknown caller on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go into the phone app here in your iPhone. So it's right here for me and go into phone. And from here, the first method that I'm going to show you is to simply dial asterisk 69 as soon as the call pops up that you don't know who it's from. So if an unknown caller calls you, you want to go and dial this asterisk 69. And with this, what this basically would do is that this code attempts to trace the last incoming call, even if it was hidden, and may reveal the number or name if available through your carrier. Take note that this feature depends on your carrier and may incur a small fee. So it is the first method. And then the second one would be to go into your app store right here. And then from here, you could go for your apps right here. I suggest Truecaller, but there are also other apps right here that would let you cross-reference unknown numbers against massive spam databases. They can identify telemarketers, scammers, or even legitimate businesses. So the app that I recommend right here would be this one, Truecaller, Caller ID, and Block, so that you'd be able to know, to see who's calling you, works with phone app, and so on right here. You could also feel free to try other apps if you want, if you are not satisfied with this app. And now the last method that I am going to show you would be to go into your settings. And from here is that you would want to go into phone right here. And here on apps right here. So you want to tap on that. And in here, you just basically would want to go for silence unknown callers. So you want to scroll down until you see this one right here, silence unknown callers. You want to tap on that, and then you would want to enable this. So basically, this sends calls from numbers not in your contacts, mail, or messages straight to your voicemail, so it would not ring. But you'd still see missed calls on your recent list on the phone app. But yeah, at least this won't disturb you as much. So this is a great way for you to effectively counter those spams. So yeah, this is basically it for this video on how you'd be able to check unknown caller on iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.